Mm. Yo, 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 what up? That's for another project for a different day. But today we're here with the One Air Candy Tints. The Candy Tints. Here are the 20 color pack. This is what everything looks like. Here are the pastels. This is what everything looks like. Pastels, 20 colors. So let's do candy tints. So like we're gonna put them in order. I'm gonna do this and save this later. Save this. Red, 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 brown, blues, greens, black, berry, violet. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That is the orange. It's only 11 in this setup. Oh, am I on the Wi-Fi? Oh, I am. Okay, good, 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 good. Orange. Just grab another one. This one's like a red. I always shake it every time right before. Oh, yeah. I did it over a cat eye because I feel like that's going to be, it's going to help you see the tint really good. And who doesn't love a cat eye? I've had these for a while. Since like these ones 2020. But I didn't buy the full collection, so I ended up getting the rest of them on my last. Yeah, that's red, red. Red, red, rojo. And these are airbrush acrylic paints, and they come in candy tints. And I think like some people don't know that they come in candy tints, but they do. Candy tints, jelly tints, translucent. So sorry, excuse me. Just choked my own spit. What's up? What's up? What's up? This one is brown. Brown. And I just, well, not just, but. So I'm doing it over just a cat eye. That way we can see. Hold on, let me fix my light a little bit. We can see. Better. Why you didn't say nothing about the light? What's up, lip snails? Okay. Brown. This one is green. It's 11 total. I needed a display card for this. Shake it up, shake it up. So I can make this display card. After this, I'm about to go walk the dog. Oh, this one is sea green. These would be really good for like some stained glass nails. Definitely. It's 10 is 11. This one like a blue. Oh, it's pretty. Other color was still in. This one's like a turquoise on the jelly tints. What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm just doing a display sheet for the display tips for the tints because I never did one. This one is green. Also, today's the last day of the pre-sale, so I was like, I probably should have this. Anyways, I needed it for the website, so I was like, well, since I'm gonna pop up to the shop anyway and clean up. I might as well. This is green. And then I'm doing this over a cat eye from Profiles. See? A janky spray on that one. Wipe that off. Because I ain't top coated it. So I can do that. I can do that. Whoa, almost dropped it. This is just air right here. That's what I be talking about when I say don't spray too much because then it'll puddle. Cool. This one, berry candy. Yeah, these are candy tints. So they just tints. They don't get as, they're not as solid as the regular 20 colors. Like the translucents, they're translucent, or the pastels, they're tints. I don't dilute mine. I bought this a long time ago and I used it and it did terrible. It's not for these paints. So I was like, well, let me get the candy tints as well. This one is berry. I think I have them on my website as candy tints or jelly tints. They're tints. Tints. Which is definitely cool if you're doing like this is on over a cat eye. So you can see that little that effect. Berry. Then I got a violet. I think that berry is kind of like a silvery one. What's up, Horizon Nails? Oh, I'm just spraying. Look at. This one is violet. And then they got a black. Ooh. What's up, Erica? That's not Erica. See how different it is when you like light spray over if you just go in there and spray everything. And then you could tell it's drying at the same time. I wonder how dark can that get? Let me add a little bit more. Oh yeah, it can get pretty dark. I'm still candy. Alright, so the next one is black. And like, let me tell you something. Any of these with a black jelly tint, ombre, come on, say less. So I gotta make another little wheel thing for these. This is the black one. This is my last one that I'm out. I'm out like a light. Ooh. Oh, they're black though. What? Put this out the way. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, so we got an orange. This one is like a berry. This one is a red, brown. This one is sea green. This is like a blue. This is a blue green, like a turquoise, basically a green. This one is called, oh, this one is actually called berry. This is violet, and then this is black. This is the full collection. It's 11 of them. So yeah, so that's the candy tints. Cool. See y'all later.